Abi ni mo gaya ni mo bilog akong ulo.
Philip on Kuanon 1 Season 2 official teaser. This is it, finally a Kuanon 1 interview with Philip. Here's the official teaser from Kuanon 1 Season 2.
Abi ni mo gaya ni mo bilog akong ulo, pero kaya kayo ti kalinginon nga murag kugmo.
As to this date, there's no schedule yet kung kailan ilalabas ang episode ni Philip. Basta tandaan, Kuanon 1 is on every Tuesday, 8 AM on ABS-CBN YouTube channel and I Want TFC. Iba talaga ang power ng isang Melay Cantiveros, from a wish to an answered prayer. And be sure not to miss it dahil it looks like si Ken Ken ang makikita natin dito.
Abi ni mo gaya ni mo bilog akong ulo, pero kaya kayo ti kalinginon nga murag kugmo.